Good morning, good noon, good evening. Everyone, long time no see. Today, I'm going to share with you how to replace the front and rear shock absorbers of Mars. First, as shown in the video, unscrew the screws at the bottom. Remove the parts. Then unscrew the screws at the top and take off the parts and the shock absorber. These are all the parts. Be careful to put them away and don't close them. Next, take out the new shock absorbers you want to replace and install them. Start from the top. As shown in the video, install the washers on both sides. Adjust the position and then fix both sides with the screws that have been glued. Then start installing the bottom part. Remember to put washers on both sides. Finally, tighten the screws. The replacement of the front shock absorber is done. Now for the rear shock absorber. Actually, the steps for both are similar. You take them off from bottom to top. These are all the parts you take off. Then install them. As shown in the video, install them from top to bottom. Remember to put washers on both sides. Finally, just tighten the screws. Make sure your screws are tightened. Otherwise, there might be some safety hazards. Okay, I wish you a happy life. See you next time.